Hey first graders, today we're going to be talking about the writing process. It's the same process that a writer goes through whenever they write a book. So we'll be practicing writing this year, and the first part of that is learning the writing process. The first step in the writing process is brainstorming. Brainstorming is a big word for thinking. So we're going to use a sun right here that helps us remember that we are starting at the top and we are thinking about the ideas that we're going to write about. The second step is pre-writing. In pre-writing, we're going to use this puzzle piece to help us remember what step we're on. We are writing down some of our ideas that we were thinking about and kind of fitting them together and thinking about where they would go in our writing. The next step is the rough draft. Rough draft is when you're writing your story and you're working hard on it. We're going to use this hammer here to help us remember that we're on the rough draft stage of our writing. Rough draft just means you're working on it and putting things down on paper and writing in complete sentences. The next step is revising, and we're going to use this pencil here. This pencil has an eraser on the end because during the revising time you will be able to go back and fix things that you think need fixed in your writing and reread it and think about if it makes sense and maybe even change some things about your writing. The last step is the final draft. We're going to use a house here. This house is all done. So this final draft means that your writing is finished and you're ready for somebody to look at it and read it and understand it. The last step is rubric, and rubric is just a big word for a checklist. So there will be a checklist of things that maybe your teacher gave you before you started writing that you'll need to go back and make sure that your writing follows and you can check off all the boxes that with the directions that your teacher gave you. It's a way to check and make sure your writing is its best. I look forward to writing with you soon. Thanks. Bye.